ForexFXM, revolutionizing financial education with over 22,000 members. ForexFXM, a rapidly growing trading education platform, is transforming how individuals learn to trade by offering 100% free, practical, and hands-on learning experiences. Founded in 2022 by Josh, a former developer turned full-time trader, ForexFXM provides a transparent and accessible way for people to develop skills in Forex, gold, indices, and crypto markets. Key features: Learn and Profit Program. This flagship initiative blends structured courses, live trading sessions, and a global community to provide real-world trading experience. Live market sessions. Members observe live trades and engage in real-time learning, allowing for practical, hands-on experience. Collaborative community. With over 22,000 members, traders share insights, strategies, and success stories to foster growth. Josh's journey from developer to trader fuels the platform's mission to make trading education available to anyone. In 2025, ForexFXM launched the Traders Club, offering advanced courses and direct mentorship for serious traders. Josh's philosophy emphasizes self-sufficiency, aiming to equip traders with the skills to trade independently and confidently. ForexFXM plans future expansions, including global events, advanced tools, and more courses for traders at all levels. ForexFXM is a community-driven platform designed to empower individuals to take control of their financial futures through accessible, hands-on education.